What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, live session, live and direct every week, so that we can go ahead and bring your questions, your credit questions, out to light and answer a few questions. Sorry for those of you guys that were trying to follow me through. I had a few technical difficulties. This is obviously a new setup here at home or whatnot. So here's we're finally up, and I got some exciting results to show you guys. Guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, because on this channel we talk anything and everything regarding credit, personal finance, tips and tricks on real estate, automotives, investments, you name it, you're gonna go ahead and find it here. So guys, please excuse I guess the lighting or whatnot, but at the end of the day, we're here for some really solid and valuable information. With that being said, guys, I encourage you guys to go ahead and ask your questions off to the side so I can go ahead and answer them for you. In the meantime, if at any point at all you're interested in a free credit evaluation with me or my team, you're able to do that by calling the number right on the screen, and also looking at the link in the description below. The very first link is going to go ahead and guide you to a Calendly link, and I'm going to go ahead and text you my phone number in case you guys have any questions at all whatsoever regarding your credit, or if you're in the program, I'm definitely here to help. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys like the information on this video, and let's get right to it. So what I'm going to do here really quick is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen as to some of the results we've been able to get recently, right? Go ahead and show it off here. Trying off a new system, guys, so bear with me. All right, so this should be it. All right, guys, so this is the first round of results that you see on here. And these results are, again, every result that you see on here is within 30 days. And obviously, every time you send a dispute out to the credit bureaus, we have to wait 30 days. And what you're seeing here basically on screen is what I show and what we give to clients. This way they can keep better track as to what's going on with their credit. So in the matter of 30 days, you see on here that this client had 22 items deleted. Experian went up 42 points, Equifax went up 1 point, and TransUnion went up 5 points. But the beautiful part here that a lot of you guys ask is, you see this right here, Department of Education Navient. That is a student loan with 120 days late, in dispute, and then obviously the results were deleted. This is another count, Opium. And then these are several, as some of you guys know, those of you guys that have student loans on your credit report, this is exactly how it shows multiple times for some reason. And we've been able to remove every single one of these. See, Department of Education, once again, Department of Education, once again, Department of Education. And we got Department of Education student loans all day here for you guys that we've been able to remove. Obviously, off to the right-hand side, you're going to see here deleted. This is how we show our clients what has happened within the last 30 days. And obviously, because you're going to have some sort of credit monitoring open, you're going to get the notification and see the brand new report that shouldn't reflect these student loans on here. Progressive, that's another one deleted. Department of Education Navient, another one deleted. Again, this person had a lot of student loans. Department of Education deleted, once again deleted. Progressive once again, and Progressive again. Here it shows the credit bureaus that it went off in, and let me see here. These are the credit bureaus that we've been able to take them off in, and basically that translated into all 3 credit bureaus. So as you see here, 22 items deleted within the first 30 days. Guys, I'm going to go over some more results here, and I'll go ahead and answer some of your questions as I see the questions here piling up. Next one is, we have here, again, within 30 days, we've been able to increase 40 points on Experian, 63 points on Equifax, and 57 points on TransUnion. So again, we still definitely have some more work to do. However, we've been able to delete 7 items and 1 updated to positive, which is great. That means that we've been able to reverse a late payment towards a positive payment. We was able to find an error discrepancy that we was able to convince either the collection agency or a bank in this case to reverse a late payment. And they actually did it for us. Late payments are actually 35% of your credit score. So it's definitely important to pay attention to that, because that can definitely be huge when it comes to that. So as you see here, we was able to remove Capital One, a Best Buy credit card, Macy's. Again, we've been able to update it. That right there in itself is the reversal right there on a Macy's card. Barclays Bank of Delaware, again deleted. T-Mobile, deleted. TransUnion, deleted across all 3 credit bureaus. So let me go ahead here. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and switch back before I show some more results. Hopefully you guys understood those results. And again, these are some results that some of our clients actually get, you know, as far as part of the program. You're keeping up to date. And it's a full transparent approach when it comes to everything that we definitely show on here. So let me go ahead and give some of you guys a shout out. Chucky, what's up, man? How you doing? Chucky, we had some technical difficulties. However, we're back on track. Jose, what's up? How you doing from San Antonio, Texas? Hopefully you guys are staying safe. And thank you so much for tuning in. Juan Alvarez, what's up? How you doing? Sending great vibes your way. Jose Negrete, LVNV funding sucks, man. Yup, I hear you, man. They're a huge collection agency. They won't settle for less than 70%. I have settled with many different companies for 35 to 40%. Jose, one question I could ask you is, are you great that you're settling, but are you settling for a payment for delete? Remember that if you pay this account, it won't be removed from your credit report. As a matter of fact, if you pay for less than full amount, it will say that on your comments, settled for less than full amount. And remember, guys, the banks of today, the banks that are using these credit bureaus and these older FICO scoring models are still identifying a collection, whether it's paid or not, as negatively impacting your score. So great approach when it comes to settling. If I were you, I would try to settle a payment for deletion. Hopefully that makes sense. Judith Haven, how you doing? All the way from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I've always wanted to visit there. As a matter of fact, in there, some of you guys don't know some Marine Corps history. Back in November 10, 1775, the Marine Corps, Ton Tavern was a bar back in the days. The first recruiter was Samuel L. Nichols, a bartender, and a bunch of young guys together, motivated with some rifles, and made the Marine Corps back in November 10, 1775. To my understanding, there is a sign there where it says, "Here was located Ton Tavern." So I'd love to take a picture on there. So definitely visiting Philadelphia pretty soon. Chad Merrill, what's up? How you doing, Chad? Hopefully everything's good. Edwin Murillo, what is the range of the estimated cost? The range is huge, Edwin. That's why I encourage you to take a 20-minute evaluation, because it really does depend on the amount of negative items you have, right? And so I can't really tell you a range until I find out how many items you have. With that being said, you know, take advantage of the free credit evaluation. It is free, guys. There's no obligation to join my program at all. But at the end of the day, you leave with a ton of information and a full detailed copy analysis of your credit report and everything that we found in all the negative items. So even if you don't sign up with us, you'll have a better understanding as to what's on your credit report, what can be done, what can't be done, and what it is more or less the pricing and actually time frame when it comes to that. So Edwin, I encourage you to go ahead and check on the description below to go ahead and check out the link to schedule your free evaluation. We're fully operational, guys. I have my team is working from home, obviously due to the circumstances. However, we're knocking out evaluations and educating people on an everyday basis, and we're excited to speak with you. So make sure to schedule your appointments, because appointments are running in fast. Jose Agosto, Ray, I was about to file Chapter 7. Thanks God I found your videos. I'm getting a consultation with you guys tomorrow. Awesome, Jose. I hope my jacked up credit can be fixed. Absolutely. It definitely can be fixed. There's nothing that cannot be done. There's always a solution for everything, and I'm definitely going to go ahead and find it for you. So looking forward to speaking to you, Jose, tomorrow. Spaz, I have cleared myself of all cards. I now cash my check every week and haven't used a bank account since 2014. Wow. I assume my credit score of 515 will never get higher. Am I right? Yes, it will, Spaz. The reason why it's not higher is because you don't have any credit. You don't have any credit cards at all whatsoever. Spaz, basically, credit is the ability to make payments over time, on time, right? And so you definitely want to go ahead and build credit. That's if you want to build credit. to leverage it in some way, shape, or form. There's so many things that you can do with credit, but just by having a great credit score, you can definitely, if you use it correctly and strategically, and if you understand it, you can multiply your money and get yourself in a situation where your money's out there working for you as opposed to you working for your money. And in a situation like this, where a lot of people are out of jobs or put on hold without any sources of income, this is where your credit, if invested correctly, will definitely pay off in the long run. Credit should not only be used just to buy vehicles and homes. Credit should be leveraged to be able to invest in companies and whatever it is, things that make you money back. Instead of buying that TV or car or whatever the case may be, look into that. Credit should be leveraged to be able to generate you more income. Spaz, hopefully that helps you out. Cashing your check on a day-to-day basis and just spending it on bills, things that don't bring you back any money, is where we have to shift our direction. And now that we have all this time and we're really not working at the office, is where we should do more research and watch more videos on ways. I remember back in the days, me just Googling how to invest $100, how to invest $1,000. Guys, I've said this story before, and I'm not sure if you guys remember or not, but back in 2014 or 15, around the time frame where Obama was president and the head of the VA got fired. The head of the VA got fired, I guess, because veterans were waiting too long for their appointments. They were dying. It's still in chaos, but nonetheless, in that time frame, it took me, I'm a disabled veteran, and it took 15 months for my disability to kick through. Keep in mind, guys, that for the things that I needed to go to the hospital for, or get treated for, or therapy for, I had to wait 15 months until that was covered. Now, thanks God that what I needed treatment for, I guess to some extent didn't harm my life in any, way, shape, or form. However, it took me 15 months. But once the 15 months passed by, that deposit, I was able to get 15 months of back pay all in one lump sum. So I had a nice little chunk of change in my bank that I didn't know what to do at the time. And believe it or not, had I had more education, I would have loved to invest that huge chunk of money into a way where I would be making money today. And as a matter of fact, I remember that once I got that deposit to my Chase bank account at the time, I got recommended by a Chase representative over the phone to speak with the investing department, something about mutual funds and things like that of that nature. And of course, I made the appointment. It sounded great. I did some research on it, and I was like, hey, this sounds like a good deal. 15 minutes prior to me going on the way to the bank, 15 minutes prior to me going there, the representative called me and he told me, if you don't have at least $50,000 to invest, don't even waste your time coming in here. He told me straight up like that. Literally, he told me straight up like that. And although I understood we don't want to waste nobody's time, however, I just thought, why isn't there education out there or things out there that are more accessible, that are more advertised on ways that you can make investment with less money? You see, when we have our income tax check, mostly people go off to either pay bills, buy a new TV, down payment on a car. And that's really where, I guess, from the people that I knew of and grew up with, that's where that money went. But had I known where you can invest, however, where to invest $100, where to invest $1,000, these little things I would have loved to know, because these are things that all of us can contribute. All of us have $1,000 or can come up with, or even less than that, $500 or even $100 or even $50. There are things out there that you can invest and you're going to make some sort of return back. And these are the things that I think credit can be leveraged for. That's a time frame in my life where it was a huge impact for me. And I kind of wanted to share that with you guys, because I know some of you guys out there maybe came up on some money and don't know what to do with it, or about to spend it in a wrong way. And it's going to take you a long time to get that money back. So hopefully that helps and you understand that. Sorry for going off there on a tangent. So on to the next. Chad, what's up, Chad? Hello, brother. We love and appreciate you. What's the average time frame for clients that are in your program? Average time frame, Chad, our most difficult clients to date, knocking on wood, have only stayed in our program no more than 4 to 6 months. No more than 4 to 6 months. That's our most difficult clients. and we don't really have that many. The reason for that is that from the beginning we dispute all items all at once from the month-to-month basis. So because we don't leave no stone unturned, there is a high probability that items that you can be done with our program within the first 30, 60, or even 90 days, which is still really fast in comparison to other companies. And I'll tell you that again, the reason for that is because we do dispute all items all at once. So every month we don't leave no stone unturned. We're attacking everything full blast, full speed, all at once from a month-to-month basis. And as a matter of fact, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time, if any, to get in a credit restoration program. Why? Because everything is uncertain out there. And what I mean by that is that the credit bureaus, one day are closing down, the other days they're opening up. To what capacity are they open? I'm not sure. Do they have their representative working from home? I'm not sure. I haven't spoken to anybody about that. But if that's the case, there may be a delay in the time frame that the dispute letters come back. That works into our advantage because the Fair Credit Reporting Act states that if in 30 days, if nothing can be verifiable, accurate, or complete within 30 days, meaning what you're asking for within your disputes, the item has to be removed and or corrected. So now is the time to take advantage and leverage that to some extent to get to the position where you want to with your credit. All right, guys. So before I answer some of the questions, let's go ahead and take in some more results on here. Some more results. And let me see here. So as we last discussed over here, so that was the last one. That's where I left off. Next set of results is going to be right here. So we got a 691 on Experian, went up 62 points. 643 on Equifax, went up 16 points. And a whopping 71 points went up on TransUnion for 703 points. 5 items deleted. The items that were deleted were as such: World Omni Financial, Popular Mortgage Services. This was I believe it was a foreclosure. Or yep, I think this was a foreclosure. We was able to get that removed. K Jewelers removed. City Financial auto repossession removed and deleted. And Midland Credit Management, which is a collection agency, Midland Funding or Midland Credit Management, they got removed obviously as well within 30 days, guys. So these are the next round of results on here for you guys to see. And let me see here. So let's kick it back to some of the questions out there for you guys. And let me know what you think about these results, guys. Is this helpful for you guys? Does this give you a better understanding as to what can actually be done? And these are obviously results that we're getting from people. So hopefully that helps, guys. Let's go down with more questions. Edwin Murillo, I know your office emailed me a link that is needed to start up with the program. What is this link? Edwin, the link that you get that we email or that I email you is a link to Identity IQ. Identity IQ is a credit monitoring system. This is one that I recommend. I use myself as well. In the meantime, that gives us access to 3 scores and 3 reports. It allows us to see exactly what's on your credit, to give you a proper evaluation so we're not guessing out there. And also our system integrates with Identity IQ beautifully, where we're able to generate the analysis from the information on your credit report, and we're able to put things together. If you do decide to go into our program, Identity IQ will be required to keep on. However, it makes things a lot easier and it keeps you up to date as to what's going on and what we're doing at all times. So Edwin, that link that we sent you guys for Identity IQ, it is a credit monitoring system. It allows us to see 3 scores, 3 reports, so we can do a proper detailed evaluation, letting you know what's on your credit. And it makes things a lot easier once you join the program. So hopefully that helps. Chad, hello from Kansas City. What's up? What's up? Gerald Martinez, if one of the bureaus removes an account, but it shows as meeting the FCRA requirements in the other 2 bureaus, how should I dispute? Geraldo, that's something that we do see a lot of times. Well, we'll ask for method of verifications. How is it that they're meeting the FCRA requirements if obviously the other credit bureau deleted it, right? Obviously. And we have a way around that. There's documentation that you can go ahead and request or actually show the results from the other credit bureaus to influence the other ones. That requires a letter, that requires a little bit more influence that we have, and it's worked successfully. Guys, in the meantime, I just want to go ahead and let you guys know that what I mean by these letters and successfully and all that stuff is on a week-to-week basis. My processing team does a lot of research. They go ahead and study on their own, and they're actually required on a week-to-week basis to research any new items out there, any new laws, any legalities, maybe consult with some attorneys that we're affiliated with, and to go in and go from there. Based on that, then they're required to go ahead, depending on the round, to create three to four different versions of that one letter, and then test it out amongst clients or new clients. And you'll be amazed of how effective these letters have been just by changing little things, adding little things. It's insane. It's a lot of fun, actually. It's just amazing. I just laugh all the time because such a little change in a word, in a font, in a color, handwritten, or even in verbiage or in a frame, once something has changed, how dramatically the results can change for a client in the amount of 30 days. So we're actually experimenting every week with different letters, trying 2 or 3 different letters, throwing out the rest, including the others. It's just a fun time. So I can't wait to show you guys some of the results we're able to get. But week to week, we're doing this for all of our clients. We're very passionate about what we do, and it's a lot of fun. Juan Alvarez, I need to talk to you about my status. It's been a while. I've been with your program for almost 6 months. Juan Alvarez, definitely give us a call or an email. Juan, if you don't mind me asking, what company are you with? I'm only clarifying because a lot of people still assume I'm with other companies when I'm not. So Juan, let me know if you are with my company. Let's go ahead and have you logged into your portal. My team communicates with everybody every 15 to 30 days. That's a must. That's a priority. So you definitely have messages on there if you are in our program. But you're more than welcome to speak to us. So hopefully we go from there. Edwin, oh, it looks like the message was retracted. Camille Miraz, hello from Houston. How you doing, Camille? Haiti Lopez from Asheville, North Carolina. How you doing, Haiti? North Carolina, I had some very good memories on there. When I was stationed in the Marine Corps, I was stationed in Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, located in Jacksonville, North Carolina, 30 minutes away from Wilmington, and I think around 2 hours away from Raleigh. Definitely not an exciting town. However, a lot of fun in Wilmington and Raleigh and stuff like that. So looking forward to get back soon, actually. I was a recruiter in the Marine Corps towards the end, and one of my recruiting bosses, he has his own school up there where he's teaching NCOs or staff NCOs, right? I guess for you guys to know, there's like supervisors and managers, right? How we're transitioning to some leadership, a leadership course. And he was inviting me out there to speak to some Marines about credit and finance. So that's going to happen soon. And I'm looking forward to doing that pretty soon and recording it for you guys. But it'll be nice to go back to the roots again. Leo Ramos, hey, Ray. So with the COVID-19, are credit bureaus currently functioning? Yes, they are as of now, I spoke to them last. Edwin Murillo, just with your videos, I have learned so much. Los Angeles, California here, but moving to New Jersey in 10 days to be the same time. Awesome, Edwin. I haven't been to New Jersey as of yet. However, I heard great things about it over there, man. And I wish you the best of luck in your new transition. So great on that. Spaz, that helped. Thanks. Awesome, Spaz. Margit, how you doing? Chucky Illa. A gym I owed money to sent me to collections, but I haven't seen it on my credit report, and it was from a couple of years ago. Why is that? Sometimes that does happen, Chucky. Sometimes because a bill may be so old that they probably can't put it on a credit report, maybe past the statute of limitations. Chucky, it does happen. However, if it's not on your credit report and if it's affordable enough, give them a call, get that out the way. As long as it's not affecting your score, you're good to go. Evan, hey, Ray, does Identity IQ provide accurate scores? So, Evan, the Identity IQ provides Vantage scores. I tell people not to focus on scores ever because you never really know your score. What we're focusing on is on the information that's reporting on the credit report, which is really the part that really matters. Even if you go to MyFICO and get a FICO scoring formula, the FICO score model there is going to be an 8 or a 9. It calculates credit differently than a FICO score version 4 or 5. However, when you go to the banks, they're using older FICO scoring models, so you never really know your score. However, if you don't have no negative items, if we remove negative items like collections, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, tax liens, repossessions, and things like that of that nature, it doesn't matter where your scores ran, it's going to be fantastic no matter what. right? And so on Identity IQ doesn't give you a FICO score. However, does it really matter if we don't have anything negative on our credit? If we have a good credit score, a decent credit card limit, and so on and so forth. Hopefully that helps, Evan. Israel Tyndall, what's up, Ray? How you doing, Israel? Guys? Israel is one of our clients on there. Definitely a pleasure working with you, man. And I'm excited to see the additional results we get for you. We're killing those inquiries for you guys, Israel, one at a time. Evan, hey, Ray, does Identity IQ provide accurate scores? I already read that. So, A Beautiful Mind. I'm in Durham. Hey, what's up? All the way from Durham. We're located here in Miami, Florida. Pocho Perez. Hey, Ray, we're still rocking those disputes. Thank you for all the great work. I'm still alive. Pocho, what's up? Yep. You're definitely alive, Pocho. We're still knocking them out here for you, for all of our clients. So thank you for that. Joe, how you doing, Joe, from San Jose, California? Shout out to you guys. Edwin Vega. Hi, my friend. Thanks for all the info you put on here. Keep awesome. Angel, how long before things drop from your credit report? Old medical bills. So when we send a dispute, the Fair Credit Reporting Act states that we must give them 30 business days. So around 30 to 45 days or not. If there's a discrepancy found, if they cannot prove within that time frame, it has to be removed. So every time you do a dispute, you're going to get the results in 30 days. So I tell people every 30 days, you're going to go ahead getting some sort of results. So 30 to 45 days or so. Margaret Quinn, thanks. I'm fine. I like your streaming. Thank you so much for the support. Edwin, Ray, what is the link I have to go first so you guys can access my credit report? It is the Identity IQ link that I emailed to you, Edwin. I did email that to you. Check your junk mail or spam. But I did email that to you. The subject line should have read, have you signed up for credit monitoring? So hopefully that helps. Jose, Ray, I can't wait to fix my credit so I can go back home to Miami, Florida. Well, can't wait to have you back and for us to fix your credit. So looking forward to it. A Beautiful Mind. Can't wait to work with you all. The Card Game, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And this man is out here educating the community on our nation. Thanks, brother. What's up, man? How you doing? Hopefully you and your family are good, man. We're still kicking out here, making it happen. Leo Ramos, hey, Ray, I've been in the program for 2 months. At what point do you guys dispute inquiries? Inquiries, Leo, to be honest with you, we do that towards the end because inquiries are only 10% of your credit. It doesn't count as much. However, we still encourage people to dispute inquiries because if you have too many inquiries, that can be criteria or guidelines for not to approve you, right? Underwriting departments. So for some banks, if you have more than a certain amount of inquiries, you may look desperate, and just because of those guidelines, they will not qualify you. So, however, that's only 10% of your credit. We focus on the bigger fish, like late payments, collections. Late payments and collections. Again, payment history is 35% of your score. So we focus on that right there. Juan Alvarez, I'm with your program and I have been getting messages. Just wanted to go over some of my accounts that I haven't seen much movement on. Just want to see what my options are. Oh, absolutely, Juan. No worries on that. We'll definitely go ahead and keep you posted. I'll let my processing team know that you're looking for some questions. In the meantime, please, Juan, the phone number does work. Option 2 for you to speak to processing. If you're already in a program, our team is definitely available and still working, kicking and screaming daily for you guys. So we're catching up a lot. And guys, let me go ahead and let me see. Is there any other? Yeah, there looks like there's some more results here to show. So let me go ahead and switch over to the results side of things. And here we go. All right, guys. So back here to some awesome results here for you guys. And what we have here, the next set of results is, this is a set of results that you get from TransUnion. This is actually from TransUnion themselves, where it highlights, as a part of the results of your investigations, as you see up the top, your investigation results. So Capital One Bank credit card, we got that removed. Louisiana Recovery Services, you see that a few times here. So Louisiana Recovery, Phoenix Financial, Portfolio Recovery, Trans Financial, I think that's a collection agency, but the rest are definitely collection agencies, and Capital One. So that one right there was removed within 30 days. Again, deleted. All right, guys. So here's some more great results. 17 items deleted within 30 days. We got Experian went up 693 with a whopping 36 points, 704 on Equifax with a whopping 75-point increase, and a 722 points score. TransUnion went up 8 points. Now, guys, I know I didn't mention this before, but you see how this middle score of Equifax went up 75 points. The other one didn't go quite as high. That's actually a good thing. The reason why that's a good thing is because we're going to go ahead and influence the other two credit bureaus and say, all right, credit bureaus, Equifax obviously found the discrepancy. The same company that requested information from did not provide that information. How are you not reflecting the same or deletion on one of the credit bureaus? We can actually leverage that and move forward with that. However, high 600s, low 700s, pretty good. You typically after 690, you start seeing some great results and you start taking advantage of the best interest rates possible. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, whether it's buying a home or a car, you definitely want to take advantage of that. So 17 items deleted. As you see here, this was a fellow veteran, U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, a government debt. We got that removed. Adiamo deleted. Marine Federal Credit Union. I know some of the Marines out there know what that is. I had one of my first auto loans with them, located in Jacksonville, North Carolina, inside Camp Lejeune. Deleted. And TransUnion, U.S. Department of Vets, again, deleted, and Sprint got deleted from all three credit bureaus in their collection department. So that right there resulted in this 17 items removed. So this gentleman is definitely very, very happy with us. Next one on here was 9 deleted, 653, 34-point increase on Experian, 15-point increase on Equifax, 34-point increase on TransUnion, 9 items deleted. Here it goes for you guys. I know you guys like seeing this. U.S. Department of Education. For those of you guys wondering if we can remove student loans, there is your proof right there. We can remove student loans. Anything that appears on a credit report is subject to the FCRA. Therefore, it can be removed. Citibank credit card removed. First National Bank of Pennsylvania deleted. U.S. Department of Education, GLELSI deleted. In U.S. Department of Education, one more time, deleted there in 30 days. All right, guys, that is definitely the end of those results on there. Let me go ahead and switch back. Let's go ahead and switch back here. All right, so we're back. We're back at it again. Guys, thank you guys so much for all of your guys' questions. Obviously, I've hit the 30-minute mark, so I'll try to make it short and sweet for you guys. But I want to go ahead and first thank all of you guys for joining us in. I wish all you guys the best. I hope all of you guys are safe and doing your part to contribute to this, this time, right? With this virus, everything is pretty crazy. However, guys, I wanted to let you guys know that we're are still kicking over here, making things happen for all of our clients and for new clients as well. We definitely love what we do, and we're working harder than ever for all of you guys. So I definitely encourage you guys to go ahead and call the number on the screen or schedule your appointment with the first link in the description below to schedule your free 20-minute evaluation. I know that a lot of you guys are not working, so we have nothing but time, at least 20 minutes every time, to get a better understanding of your credit, what your options are. And again, there's no obligation to sign up. However, we will give you pricing in case you want to hire me or my team, my business, right? To make it happen for you guys. So other than that, guys, I'm going to call it a day here. But again, I want to thank you guys so much for you guys, for the opportunity, for tuning in, for being so enthusiastic about the credit education. And there's still a lot more to come. I wish you guys nothing but the best. And I look forward to seeing you guys really soon and speaking to you guys. Guys, just a quick little tip, because it's very important for me. It's important for me for all of you guys to have my phone number in case you have any questions. If you want my phone number, my direct number, if you schedule with the link in the description, you will get a text from me. It's a 561 number. You will get a text from me. Save it, and you're more than welcome to text me. I will respond back. Maybe not right away sometimes, but that is my direct line. And I just look forward to helping you guys out as much as I can, as I promised before. So other than that, guys, I hope you like the information on this video. Thank you so much for the love and support. Like, comment, subscribe. And until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Peace. Bye, guys. Thank you, guys.